how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Bitget using UID or user ID. Now, if you want to send USDT from your Bitget account to another Bitget account, just you need the user ID. Now, how to do that? Just tap on Assets. Now, after that, from the top bar, tap on Spot. Now, after that, tap on Withdraw option, and after that, select the crypto that you want to send. Type USDT. Now after that, tap on internal transfer. Now after that, double check that you are select USDT. And now in under account type, tap on UID or user ID. Now after that, enter the user ID that you want to send to and how much of USDT you want to send. Now after you make sure you fill all the information is correct. Now as you can see, the transaction fee is 0. Now you can now withdraw, and after that you will send USDT from Bitget to Bitget using UID. So this is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Bitget using ID. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.